Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Gladiator Mojave that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that this Jeep has to offer. Now it is in your stingray paint finish, accented by your kind of orange color scheme across the unit to go along with the Mojave trim level. So you can see in the back there the tow hooks are your orange, as well as some of the badging has orange accents across it. So a pretty cool color combination included on this Jeep. You do have your backup camera equipped there, as you can see. Your rear park sensor, you can see your sensors there across that back bumper as well. You also do have your tonneau cover. So a great accessory included for you there that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Kind of helps keep your gear and cargo secured well on the go. So just to check out some of the features inside here, so the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You can see in the back seat there, decent amount of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have your all-weather floor mats included in both front and back seats, so again, a nice little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. The seats themselves are a leather seat, so again, offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. And as you can see, the orange kind of accent color is continued on the interior of the vehicle. In the back seat there, you do have your media port hookups, power windows just included there as well. Check out some of the features up front here. So you do have your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface. You do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there, climate controls, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Access to some of the apps are included in through there, your navigation, of course your Bluetooth capabilities and your settings. Just below that, again, access to some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there, your media port hookups just below that, power windows as well. The Jeep does come equipped with your keyless entry as well, so you do have your push button start in behind, key fob for the Jeep right here, remote starts included, so again, another great feature that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to your cruise control options. Adaptive cruise control is equipped. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Jeep Gladiator's got a great blend of features in it, and as a previous executive driven vehicle, it does have just under 15,000 kilometers currently on it and $8,000 off. If you have questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.